Hey my nature beauties, it's your girl Rotor's coming today. You guys, we have a really quick DIY. It's I'm looking at it right now because I did it a few days ago, but I forgot to do the intro. So it's a wreath that I got off of here on YouTube. I seen a girl do it and she said she got the idea off of Pinterest. So I went and found the one that she got her idea off of and pretty much took that idea myself and made it my own. So if you would like to see how I came up with this beauty, keep on watching. Before we even get started with this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, if this is your first time watching, hey girl, hey, we would love for you to stay, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. And you guys, before we get into it, let me explain to y'all, we're about to do 12 days of Christmas. I know I didn't do vlogmas. My channel is not that big to do vlogmas. I did it last year and the year before last, and it kind of didn't pay off. And you guys know I'm military, so this year I just said, okay, we'll go with 12 days of Christmas versus vlogmas. And I'll throw all my DIYs out there. I'll show you guys how I decorated my house for the season, and also I'll take you guys with me do a little Christmas shopping as well. And y'all know we do our infamous family trip. I'm gonna take you guys on all that as well. So we have 12 days of Christmas starting on the 14th. So again, if you would like to see how I did this DIY, keep on watching. Yo, this DIY is about to be quick and simple. We're going to use these utensils from Dollar Tree. Everything's from Dollar Tree except of the wreath. Don't remember where I got it from. I had it for years. You can see it's changing colors and everything. Don't remember. But you can get a little cheap wreath from Dollar Tree, or you can get one from Walmart for the Lolo to do this project. Okay. Then I'm going to use, sorry about the noise, I'm going to use this tin can right here as well. Let's get these all cleaned off and get the tags removed, and we'll be back. Wire. Let's stick it through. Here. And I want to do this. I was talking to myself. Okay, so let's pull that off of there. I'm about to get all these on there. I'm going to actually glue this particular one across here like that. But the rest of them, I'm going to put them on with the Chanel stem, and I'll be right back. You guys, the gingerbread was an epic fail. I tried to remove the mouth to put it back on there all nice and neat, but yeah, we're gonna use, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna use instead. So we're gonna use these little stickers instead. I'm just gonna literally put the stickers on, probably on each individual thing, and call it a day, because your girl's not crafty when it comes to these. This looks a hot mess, literally. What? He look like he's scary gingerbread. That's his name, Scary Gingerbread. She scared me. But anywho, I'll be right back. Okay, we have the, excuse the TV, we have the gingerbreads. Let's just put them on. Okay, now we're gonna add this believe sign. We're gonna put it on the side. Let's see, after we add the bow. The bow might be too big, y'all. This bow is huge and it might be too big for the actual wreath. No, it's not. See? Okay, so let me get the bow on there, and I think I'm gonna put this believe sign somewhere on here, and we'll get it hung up and let's see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, here is the finish. At first I was feeling like the bow was too big because I honestly made it to go on the fireplace, but I didn't use it, so I used it over here. But here's this little gingerbreads everywhere. Then of course the bow has gingerbread ribbon, and I stuck the little Dollar Tree gingerbreads in it. Then we have this little red cardinal bird, and the mixer, the spatula, and all the other utensils. We have the cupcake pan and the believe sign. And let me step back so you can actually see it. And this is what it looks like. And it's cute. I like it, you guys. What y'all think? Comment below. I need to fix the little, that's anal right there. It look like something missing, so I'm gonna fix that. But other than that, I like it. Comment below and tell me what you think. Okay, and it's actually now hanging on my pantry door. Isn't that cute though? It turned out super cute, really easy DIY. Everything I had already had, except of the muffin pan, but that was it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if this is your first time watching. Hey girl, hey, we will love you. Stay, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. And you guys, see y'all on the next DIY. Bye.